I will introduce you today our overall installation method of Suncool Gate. When we open the packaging, that's what he looks like now. Then we posted the adhesive strip to the pair, then put it next to it. Next, we disassemble all the screws on the original car, including the dragon door frame screws all disassemble. Then lift the lid up. Put in a suitable position. Then we use the screw ribbon in the accessories package to put on the pad. Pass through this nut first. Use up and down hook to lock it up. Then reinstall the screws of the original car. Then find the wire. Use our brake light to push it up. Then put the brake light line. Pass from the groove of the brake light. There is a small round hole in it. After passing the line, look at the back. Wear it in one groove. This is the positioning slot of the positioning special positioning line. After passing, then this thread is worn out of this screw hole. Next, let's disassemble this brake light. The brake light is generally the screws. Find these two screws and remove it. Then take it down. After taking it down, find the right line, then pick it up. Specific line of finding line, you can go to our brake light installation method to find. Then install the brake light back. The installation is complete.